I started another YouTube channel. Hello, my name is Tanya and this is my writing realm. Today I'm going to share with you the fact that I created a second YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is called Nerdalific. That's right, Nerdalific. What is this YouTube channel about? Let me tell you. Nerdalific is going to be dedicated solely for tutorials. Tutorials like Excel and Prowritingaid and Scrivener and Word and so many others. I'm going to grow this channel like crazy. To begin with, I have an advanced certification with Microsoft Excel, which I received through a college. I use Excel on a daily basis for my job and for my author career. I recently started the Nerdalific channel, so I've only got a few videos on there to begin with. But I plan to upload anywhere from 2 to 3 videos a week. Each of the videos is very short and focuses on very specific skills. That way, if you're looking for a very specific task within that software application, you only have to sit there and watch this one short video clip rather than having to watch a huge, extensive, long video clip where you're bored out of your mind. The videos that are there so far are solely beginning Excel videos. I will be working on more videos for the immediate and advanced levels, as well as digging into things like Prowritingaid. So if you're looking for some tutorials on some software, please check out Nerdalific. I have left the channel link below in the description. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget, why be serious if you should be delirious?